my name is Lucas. This is my first time ever on YouTube. I've never been on there before. So, this is my brand new £50 rescue truck, which does lots of cool actions that I'm going to show you today. So, this character here is very small and good. And he can, if you move the truck round, if you put him in here, press that, it flicks out. But if you put a big person in there, like him, you can't really flick him out. Because if you see, put him in there, he doesn't really flick out as further as this one. So he can flick out, but he can't do it very well. So this is the skew pack. And you can come up here and then flick the bad guys. If you put him there, and then flick the bad guys up, away. And then you can put two drivers, two big or small drivers in there. And then it's got an emergency siren. And then on the side, you can flick it out here and put a big or small super thing on there. So this is where it gets cool. So then you put a big or small, you can put a big, small on there, a big on there. And then it just flicks back in. And then on this side you can put 6 super things, only little ones on there. So there's 3 seats on the front, 3 seats on the back. Okay, and then there's really cool energy pod inside, which you can charge the heroes up to fight the baddies. And that just flicks in, and then you can press this water thing under the spaceship. It does not come off when you pull the spaceship. So then you just press that bottom button on the side and it shoots off. And then this really cool spaceship, you can put a big or small person in there and it flies off into space. That is the end of my video. Remember to like and subscribe.